Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we are gonna do a healthy drink, a healthy mocktail. So let's get into the video. So I take my shaker now. I drop one ice cube in it. Now I have some homemade fresh carrot juice. So I take 140 ml of my carrot juice into my shaker. Followed by some apple juice, 220 ml of apple juice. Followed by 30 ml of ginger syrup and 10 ml of lemonade. Now I shake it well so it is completely mixed and dissolved. So now finally we have poured the mixture into a good glass with a lemon for garnish as well as a mint for garnish. Followed by a straw. So hello everyone, so it's cool, done now. It's a good healthy drink. It's a good summer drink as well. So if you like my videos, please do like, subscribe my channel as well as hit a like button. Thank you.